How can I help you?
My name is Ali. I have an appointment today at 9 a.m. to service my motorcycle.
Yes, Mr. Ali. I see your appointment here. Okay, I already got your information. By the end of the day, I call you to come to my workshop.
I am so sorry. I would like to cancel my appointment today.
Oh, I see. May I know the reason?
I have some family matters I need to take care of.
I understand family is important.
I am really sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. Would you like to make a new appointment?
Yes, please. Is this Friday available?
Let me check. Yes, Friday at 10 p.m. is available.
Okay, that's good.
You are welcome. We will see you on Friday.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Sorry again. Thank you for your understanding. Have a nice day too.